Hey folks, Florida Trailblazer here, checking in at Little Big Econ State Forest. Hiking the Florida Trail through here. Just came down along this riverbank. Thought I'd check in with you folks, share this beautiful experience with you. Look at the water, the tea-colored water there, and it's actually kind of clear. You can see the bottom of it, the river there. The trail goes along this part, so you get some great views through here. Okay, climb back up on the trail here. Now we're back on the Florida Trail right there, and take a walk with me for a few minutes here along this trail, along this ridge. You can get some great river views. There we go. We were just down over there. Now we're hiking back into the forest here. This part of the Florida Trail is in Central Florida, around a town named Oviedo. Several trailheads you can access to get onto here. Okay, up here is a really cool part to check out. As soon as I can get a clearing through this brush, I can show you. Should be coming around the bend here. Okay, right here is a great view of this. This is part of that, you just saw that river. Well, here's a little side creek that comes off of it. It looks like grass down there, doesn't it? Check it out. If it wasn't so steep, I'd walk down there. But that's actually water under there. It looks like a little grassland down there, but it's just algae and grasses that have come up through it. Pretty neat. Ooh, I hear some owls out in the distance. Okay.